Liquid gold. A gift from nature. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is one of the most precious gifts that nature has bestowed upon us. This golden elixir has been cherished for centuries, not just for its culinary uses, but also for its numerous health benefits. Olive oil is liquid gold. Its rich golden hue and smooth texture make it a staple in kitchens around the world, but there's more to olive oil than meets the eye. It comes from the fruit of olive trees. These trees, often found in the Mediterranean region, produce olives that are harvested and pressed to extract this valuable oil. For centuries, people have used it for its health benefits. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Romans, recognized the value of olive oil and incorporated it into their daily lives. This gift from nature is more than just a cooking oil. It's a health treasure. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil is known to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even improve brain function. Olive oil is good for you. Incorporating it into your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, from lowering bad cholesterol levels to providing essential nutrients that your body needs. It helps your heart, brain, and skin. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil are particularly beneficial for heart health, while its anti-inflammatory properties can support brain health and cognitive function. Additionally, olive oil is a natural moisturizer, making it great for skincare. It's easy to add to your diet, whether you're drizzling it over a fresh salad, using it as a base for cooking, or simply dipping bread into it. Olive oil can easily become a part of your daily meals. Many cultures use olive oil daily. In Mediterranean countries, olive oil is a dietary staple. And it's no coincidence that these regions have some of the highest life expectancies in the world. Olive oil comes in different grades, from extra virgin to refined. Each type of olive oil has its own unique characteristics and uses. Extra virgin olive oil is the best. It is the highest quality and most flavorful type of olive oil, made from pure cold-pressed olives. It has the most nutrients. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, extra virgin olive oil is the healthiest choice you can make. Choose it for the best flavor and health benefits. Its rich taste enhances the flavor of any dish, while its health benefits are unparalleled. Let's explore how this liquid gold can improve your well-being. From cooking to skincare, olive oil is a versatile and invaluable addition to your daily routine. Embrace this gift from nature and discover the myriad ways it can enhance your life. Olive oil is full of good things for your body. It's not just a cooking ingredient, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. It has healthy fats called monounsaturated fats. These fats are essential for maintaining a balanced diet and can be found in other foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats are good for your heart. They help to keep your cardiovascular system in check by reducing the risk of heart disease and improving overall heart health. They help lower bad cholesterol. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, olive oil can help prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Olive oil is also full of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to neutralize free radicals in your body, which can cause cellular damage and lead to various diseases. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Including olive oil in your diet can help you get a good dose of these protective compounds, which are also found in fruits and vegetables. They fight against harmful things in your body. Regular consumption of olive oil can help your body combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant found in olive oil. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it also supports your immune system. Another important vitamin is vitamin K. This vitamin is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, and it's also found in green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach. Olive oil has this too. Including it in your diet ensures you get a good amount of vitamin K, which is often overlooked but very important. Vitamin K helps your blood clot properly. This is essential for healing wounds and preventing excessive bleeding. It also keeps your bones strong. Adequate vitamin K intake can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. Olive oil contains special compounds that reduce inflammation. These anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions. These compounds act like natural pain relievers. They can be particularly beneficial for people suffering from conditions like arthritis. Providing a natural way to manage pain, they can help with conditions like arthritis. Regular use of olive oil, both in your diet and topically, can help reduce joint pain and improve mobility. Your heart will thank you for using olive oil. It's a heart-healthy fat. Olive oil helps lower bad cholesterol or LDL and raise good cholesterol or HDL. High cholesterol is bad for your heart. It can clog your arteries. Olive oil helps keep your arteries clear. Olive oil also helps lower blood pressure. High blood pressure makes your heart work harder. Olive oil helps your heart relax. Section 4. Olive oil, a friend to your brain and body. Olive oil is good for your brain. It helps protect your brain as you age. Olive oil may reduce the risk of cognitive decline. This means it helps keep your memory sharp. Olive oil is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is linked to many diseases. Olive oil helps reduce inflammation throughout your body. A special compound in olive oil called oleocanthal acts like ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is a pain reliever. Oleocanthal helps reduce pain naturally. Section 5. Olive oil, your skin's best friend. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer. It's great for your skin. Olive oil contains vitamin E. Vitamin E helps protect your skin from damage. Olive oil can help keep your skin looking young. It has antioxidants that fight against wrinkles. You can apply olive oil directly to your skin. It's gentle and easily absorbed. Section 6. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine. Adding olive oil to your life is easy. This versatile ingredient can be seamlessly integrated into various aspects of your daily routine, enhancing both your culinary creations and your beauty regimen. You can use it for cooking. Olive oil is a staple in many kitchens around the world, known for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits. Use it to saute vegetables, drizzle it over salads. The robust taste of olive oil can elevate the simplest of dishes, making them more flavorful and nutritious. You can even use it for baking. Olive oil can be a healthier alternative to butter or other fats, adding moisture and a unique taste to your baked goods. Olive oil is great for your skin. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, it can help to nourish and protect your skin from damage. Apply a small amount to your face after washing. This can help to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and smooth. You can also use it on your body. It's a natural moisturizer. Olive oil can be particularly beneficial for dry or sensitive skin, providing deep hydration without the use of harsh chemicals. Olive oil can help with dry hair. Its nourishing properties can help to restore shine and softness to your hair. Warm some olive oil and apply it to your hair. This can help to improve the health of your scalp and promote stronger, healthier hair growth. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then shampoo as usual. This simple treatment can make a big difference in the texture and appearance of your hair. Don't forget your nails. Olive oil can strengthen them. Regular application can help to prevent breakage and keep your nails looking healthy and shiny. Massage a few drops of olive oil into your nails and cuticles. This can help to keep them moisturized and prevent dryness and cracking. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine can provide numerous benefits for your overall health and well-being. Section 7. Embrace the goodness of olive oil. Olive oil is a gift. It's a delicious and healthy addition to your life. Make olive oil a part of your daily routine. Enjoy its benefits. Olive oil is good for your heart, brain, skin, and more. It's easy to use and enjoy. Choose extra virgin olive oil for the best flavor and health benefits. Start incorporating olive oil into your diet today. Your body will thank you.